Hello and welcome to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer. Today we'll share you about top 5 best sandwich makers that you can buy in market. On the 5th spot we have Inalsa Easy Toast Sandwich Maker. Shock-proof, heat-resistant body, Inalsa Easy Toast is having a premium-looking shock-proof white spray-printed body equipped with power and ready-to-cook indicator lights. Overheat safety protection is added advantage of the toaster. Auto scissor cut. The cooking plates of this Inalsa toaster is made of die-casted aluminum plates, which cuts the sandwich with precise triangle design. Concealed element cord. Unlike most of other toasters available in the market, Inalsa Easy Toast covers its cord and element offers an aesthetic look. The cord of this sandwich maker can be stored nicely on its body to avoid hanging loosely. Twin storage option. You may store this sandwich maker either horizontally or vertically as per your convenience or storage space availability. For a long life of this toaster, it is advised not to close the toaster with too much pressure. This product comes with a price of 1,345 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. On the 4th spot we have Pigeon Egnite Sandwich Grill. The Pigeon sandwich maker helps you make 2 sandwiches at a time. The sandwich maker has a grill plates with which you can get perfectly toasted sandwich. The plates close together which seals the sandwich completely and encloses the fillings. You can fill your sandwich with ingredients and make it crisp outside and soft inside. The non-stick coated plates in this sandwich maker makes the cleaning process simple and quick. The product consumes 750 watt of power. The preheating function helps you to preheat the appliance for a minute and place the bread slices. These features allow you to get the toast done in lesser time. The Egnite sandwich maker has ready to cook and power on neon lights which alert you regarding when to place the bread slice for toasting. This product comes with a price of 1,328 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. On the 3rd spot we have Prestige PGMFB 800 watt sandwich toaster. Using your own fresh ingredients, you can make everything from a basic grilled cheese to a thick mouth-watering Reuben sandwich. The advanced non-stick coating on the grill plates is 2 times durable in the new sandwich maker. It automatically allows to remove the need for excess oil and butter during cooking, which makes the cooking healthier. The product is safe and has a non-toxic coating which provides a healthy and little fat food in just few minutes. It lets you hold and use it in an easy manner. This handles helps you work in an efficient manner which helps to protect your hand from burning as the handles are made up heat-resistant material. This product comes with a price of 1,328 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. On the 2nd spot we have Philips HD 2393 820 watt sandwich maker. Cut and seal plates, seal ingredient, cheese inside sandwich, high temperature for a perfect toasted sandwich, high power for fast heating up in the easiest way. Easy push down lock system, heat up and ready to cook light. Special non-stick coating make cleaning easier. Vertical compact storage, cord winding facility with maximum safety, cool touch handle, on-off switch for extra safety. Rubber feet ensure it stays in one place. Easy push down lock system and specially non-stick coating makes cleaning easier. Vertical compact storage and high power for fast heating up. Ready to cook light, cord winding facility, cool touch handle and rubber fit ensure it stays in one place. This product comes with a price of 1,498 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. On the 1st spot we have BAJAJ Majesty Grill Ultra Sandwich Press and Open Contact Grill. BAJAJ 4-slice press sandwich maker with open contact grill preparation. Floating hinge automatically adjust to any size and shape of sandwich. Stainless steel outer body with mirror finish. 180-degree open grill or griddle adjustable temperature control knob. Designed to grill, toast, roast and make sandwiches, the appliance prepare your dish quickly and efficiently. It has a non-stick ceramic coating for healthy cooking as it uses less or no oil. Also, the material is easy to clean, thus cleaning is not a hassle at all. The grill can prepare all varieties of food. From a big stuffed burger to toasting a thin slice of bread, it is compact, so use little space on the counter and easy storage to kitchen shelf. This product comes with a price of 1628 rupees approximately. You can check the link in the description. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kaun Banega Smart Buyer for more such contents. Bye!